y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am here with another hair video. I'm trying to give y'all some more hair content. So I know y'all already read the title, and yes, I will be flat ironing my hair for the very first time. But before we get to that step, I want to share with y'all some of the stuff that I picked up today that I will be using on my hair. So I wanted to buy some new hair tools because I've had my flat iron for 10 years. I've had my blow dryer for 5 going on 6 years. And I just felt the need to get something new. Hair is natural now, so some stuff just ain't gonna cut it no more. From Target, I picked up this blow dryer. This is the Revlon one-step volumizer. It's one of those brush blow dryers. Then I picked up this new shampoo by Aunt Jackie's. This is the Oh So Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo. And this is what it looks like. I heard that this is a really good clarifying shampoo. Then I swinged over by TJ Maxx and I picked up my favorite deep conditioner, the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. Can y'all guess what's in here? The Baby Bliss Pro Flat Iron. The light is so freaking bright, but this is the flat iron. So now that y'all see the hair tools and products that I purchased for today, stay tuned if you guys want to see me go from this to this. So my hair has been washed and deep conditioned at this point. I've already sectioned it off and it has already pretty much dried because I had my hair in this for a minute. This is the only thing that I will be applying to my hair. This is the Cantu Thermal Heat Protectant Spray. I actually did not know that Cantu made heat protectant spray, but apparently they do. Let's start off with the back first. I just have it twisted. Even though I'm natural, ain't nothing changed. I still do not apply a lot of product to my hair because I don't want it to be weighed down. And even though my hair is thick, I don't want that stiff look. So I apply a generous amount of heat protectant spray because we're not trying to damage my hair. I actually like my curls and I want to keep them. After I apply the heat protectant spray, I'm going to take my Evolve brush. It's like a Denman brush, but it's way more affordable. And just kind of detangle my hair. Just a little bit. I don't need to do too much detangling because I did detangle my hair in the shower. So now I'm going to take my brush blow dryer. It has a cool, low, and high setting. And I'm actually going to be using this on high. This is how the blow dryer did, y'all. I'm actually shook right now. Because this is not my first time blow drying my hair. I have blow dried my hair a few times since I've been natural before I get my hair braided. And my hair has never, ever came out this straight.
That's good.
I've always wanted to do this, y'all. Blow dry side, natural side. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the hair. It's actually been a while since I have wrapped my hair. Oh my God. I'm actually a little aggravated because my hair was not trying to hear me wrapping it, okay? So I had to add some bobby pins to it. I don't know how this is about to come out. My mood has just been killed. I have to keep reminding myself that my hair is not all the same length, and it is still shorter in the front, longer than the back. That's just how my hair naturally grows. I haven't done this in a long time either. Jesus Christ. I gotta get back into it. I sat under the hooded dryer for about 30 minutes. Alright y'all, so this is how my hair turned out. What do y'all think? Look at my edges. Do I think I put enough on there? Jesus Christ. So let's do a little spin around. Here is the front. Here is the right side. The back. And this is the left side. I actually big chopped my hair about a month prior to me posting the video. So it has been 4 months since I've big chopped my hair. I transitioned for 15 months, big chopped at 15 months post relaxer. And now it has been 4 months since I've big chopped my hair. Okay, so before we end the video, because I almost forgot, let's do a length check. Here is the front of my hair. And I remember in my big chop video, my hair stopped at my nose. And now it's at my lips. It's touching my mouth, okay? That's what that looks like on the left side, touching my collarbone as well. And then the back of my hair. Hopefully y'all saw how long my hair is in the back. The hair has definitely grown since I big chopped. Stay tuned for more hair videos. We are pushing forward with this natural hair journey. I'm really excited, y'all. If you guys like my results, definitely give the video a thumbs up and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. See you on the next video. Bye.